Hey guys, so your girl Dear Damo, I'm back to bring you guys another video. As you already know how I do, this video is an unboxing video, of course. This unboxing is sort of special because these sneakers sold out and within hours. Honestly, they sold out mad fast. So I stayed up until I think it was like 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or something crazy like that, just so I can make sure that I get these sneakers because I didn't think they would sit for long. I was able to get the Slip-On 47Vs. So first off, I just want to say this box is super fire. I like packaging, so I'm definitely sold on this packaging. We have the slash. It says Vans Bowie all around. I love the white box. I think it's super cool. Size 6 men's, which is equivalent to a 7.5 women. Here's the tag. But let's get into the sneakers. So these are what they look like. They look kind of big, but these are what they look like. It was a toss-up between these and the Old Skools. I was gonna get the Old Skools too, but then I was like, I probably wouldn't wear them as much as I would wear these. The deciding factor was the different textures. If you watch my other videos, you'll know that I like multiple textures on a shoe, and this has the rubber sole, it has the suede, it has the suede little strap, velcro strap, and then it has the fur, the checkerboard fur. I just love everything about this. And on the side it says hunky dory, if you could see that. And then when you get on the inside, it's like this pop of blue, and that makes it super dope. Yo, if the lighting keeps going in and out, I'm using, well, I was trying to use daylight, but it's like going back and forth. So I think these are fire. And even though it has fur on it, I'll still wear them during the summertime because, you know, I really don't care about shit like that. But I just love these. Oh, and just so Peter, you know, doesn't try to kill anyone, it actually has a tag in it that says faux fur. So these are super dope, and I just can't wait to wear these. Like, I can't wait. The different textures is madness. The black, white, and gray with the mustard. Then you got the pop of blue on the inside with the red Vans tag, the gum bottoms. Yo, these sneakers are dope. Dope. I'll try to find these because I know they sold out on Vans immediately. I believe the only pair that's on Vans right now is the skate highs, the red and black ones. I think everything else sold out. But if I'm able to actually find them, I'll definitely link them down below along with any other pairs that I'm able to find, so you guys can purchase if you want the Old Skools, you want the skate highs, you want the errors, whichever ones. If I can find them, they'll be down in the description box for you guys to purchase. But this is the pair that I decided on, and I'm super happy that I got these. But thank you guys for joining me in my unboxing video, and as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can come chill with your girl, and I will see you in my next video. So peace.